Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Palestinian school in Qatar, and today inshallah we will continue talking about the 6th grade English for Palestine student book, and we will start with unit 15, which is Great Explorers. So please open your books, page unit 15 period 1 page 40, and we will discuss today the first part from this lesson. This is our page, and we have here 4 activities: listen and repeat, listen and answer the questions, listen and say, and listen and answer the questions again. Today inshallah we will discuss the first activity: listen and repeat. Let's start. By the first activity, we are going to listen twice. The first time you are going to listen and look, and the second time you are going to listen and repeat, and you can repeat after that as many as you can by going back and listen again. Let's start by listening to the words.
Agree. Compass. Direction. Earth. East. Explore. Explorer. Ocean. South. West. Woman.
These are our new vocab, 11 words. Let's listen and repeat. Listen and repeat.
Agree.
Agree.
Compass.
Compass.
Direction.
Direction.
Earth.
Earth.
East.
East.
Explore.
Explore, the verb.
Explorer.
Explorer, the noun.
Ocean.
Ocean.
South.
South.
West.
West.
Woman.
And woman. Let's go more specific and talk about each word individually. The first word, what do you think is this? When you say something and someone says, okay, for you, what does it mean? Accept. What does accept mean from the words that we took? Excellent. It's agree. It's a verb, agree. Let's see this example to make it more clear. You said something and your friend said, I don't agree with you. Or I agree with you. I agree with you and I don't agree with you. Agree means accept. Let's move to the next word. What is this? And this and this. What do you think? Let's see the definition. A device for determining directions. A device for determining directions. It is the compass. The compass. Compass. It's a noun and we use it to determine the directions. Let's see this example. The compass shows the directions north, south, east, and west. So this is the compass. The next word. What are these? What do you think? The area or position that someone is in. The area or position that someone is in. North, south, east, and west. Let's see this example. The word is direction. Direction. It's a noun. We have 4 directions: the north, the east, the south, and the west. Direction. And the example, the same example, the compass shows us the directions north, south, east, and west. Let's go more specific. This is a compass. And we have here north and south. North, the arrow is up. South, the arrow is down. And we have here east to the right, west to the left. The compass, which shows us the direction, 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. Let's go on. What is this? It's a planet. Of course, you know it. The planet where we live. What do we call it? It's the Earth. It's the Earth. The Earth. Earth means this planet. We live in this planet. Let's see the example. The Earth goes round the sun. The Earth goes round the sun. The next word, we have 2 words here. Actually, the first one is a verb and the second one is a noun. The first one, to search and discover about something. To search and discover about something. We call it explore. Explore. Explore a new place. Explore something. And the noun, or the person who doing this, someone who travels to places where no one has ever been to find out what is there. Someone who travels to places where no one has ever been to find what is there. We called him or her explorer. Explorer. So the verb is explore and the noun is explorer. Let's see this example. Ibn Battuta or Ibn Battuta is a great explorer. Ibn Battuta is a great explorer, and we will discuss about him inshallah in the next video. Let's move to this picture. What do you think is this large area? Is it a sea, a river, or it's bigger than the sea and the river? Excellent. It's bigger than the sea, so it's a very large expanse of sea. A very large sea. You can say simply, it's a large sea. What do we call it? As in the example here, it's ocean. Oceans. Ocean. It's a noun. Ocean. Here we have an example, the Atlantic Ocean. Let's see this example. The Atlantic Ocean is between America and Africa. The Atlantic Ocean is between America and Africa. We call it the Atlantic Ocean. Let's move to this picture. What do you think? An adult female person. An adult female person. What do you think? In Unit 10, we learned a new word which is man. Man. What about this picture? What do we call her? It's woman. Excellent. It's a noun also. Woman. 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 Let's see this example. My mom is a woman, but my dad is a man. Simply, my mom is a woman and my dad is a man. And we have here an additional picture which is continent. Continent. What do we mean by continent? We have here, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and maybe 7 continents. Asia, Europe, Africa, these are also nouns. South America, North America, Australia, Antarctica, we call them continents. Let's see this example to make it more clear. Palestine is in Asia, France is in Europe, and Egypt is in Africa. Asia, Europe, Africa, these are continents, and also these continents, Australia or Australia, South America, North America, and Antarctica. All these, we call them continents. And by finishing this picture, we are going to do the last activity to revise the vocabs again. Listen and repeat, and try to, after that, to say the words with the cassette, not after him, so you can examine your understanding and your fluence. Let's start.
Agree.
Agree,
Compass.
campus,
Direction.
direction,
Earth.
earth,
East.
east,
Explore.
explore,
Explorer.
explorer,
Ocean.
ocean,
South.
south,
West.
west, and the
Woman.
last word, woman. By finishing this activity, we reach to the last thing in this video. I hope you enjoy and learned some new information. Please follow me in the next videos. Thank you for watching. This is Mr. Abdullah Shurab from the Palestinian School. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.